Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know. It's been like, what, forever? It's been like 2 months since I posted. Yeah, the title of this video is literally what this video is going to be about. Past 2 months haven't been too great for me. I'm going to be expressing my emotional output into my makeup. I've been feeling pretty dark these past 2 months, so I'm going to be doing a, what's the word to put it? I'm going to be doing a dark aesthetic makeup look. This isn't a tutorial because I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to be talking throughout the video, so this is going to kind of be like a get ready with me, but I'm not really going anywhere. I'm doing my makeup because I'm sad and I want to make myself feel better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm so sorry I left you guys hanging for so long, but I've been through so much. I just need a hug. I need a hug. That's all I need. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. First thing I'm gonna be using is a Cloud Pro Matte Primer. It's a little nasty because, well, I've got melanin, and when a melanin package breaks in your bag, it gets all over the white stuff and it looks nasty. If any of you have the same problem, please comment down below because I don't want to be the only one that has that problem. Apply it to my skin. So I'm currently wearing a wig. I actually cut this wig. Now you guys probably won't recognize this hair, and that's because I cut it to roughly the same length as my own hair. My real hair is a bit longer than this. I don't know, the new year is coming up. Speaking of the new year, I hope everyone had a good Christmas. Again, I wasn't on social media to wish everyone a happy Christmas, but I hope you guys had a happy Christmas. The next thing I go on to use is a toothbrush that I actually bought for my hair specifically. So now I've never used this toothbrush before. It's strictly for my hair, like hair on my face. I didn't actually glue down my wig today, so you might be able to see my lace, but I really don't care. Like I said, I'm going through a crisis, so that's the least of my problems right now. I literally have no idea why I didn't think about using my phone as a mirror. I love the whole like sharp eyebrow. Lately I've had a lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows, and I didn't think it was that deep, but clearly it's that deep. But I mean, it's whatever really. Okay, so I've decided to use the Snapchat filter because I feel like I look prettier. So as you can see, I've got some concealer and I'm going under. I'm really focusing on getting it straight. It doesn't really matter if this goes wrong. Oh gosh, some of my wig hairs are like trying to get into it. So that's how I honestly do it. It will start to look clean once I blend it properly. Then I continue to do the same thing on the other side. Same way. Now, like I was saying, it's very easy for this to go wrong. So usually when I'm doing it, I've mastered it now, but when I used to do it, I used to kind of be like, you know what? I'm not gonna breathe while I'm doing it. I don't know. I was thinking maybe I should do some slits, but that depends on my mood. Am I sad enough to put slits in it? Will I get girls? I'm honestly trying to be consistent on social media again and not like get in my feelings too much. Because social media can be a very toxic place sometimes. It doesn't help. I have a mental illness. It sounds so intense when I say it like that, but it's honestly not that deep because I was actually on medication for it, but I stopped the medication cold turkey. By the way, never ever do that. Don't ever do that. I suffered from I look so funny right now. I suffered from personal withdrawal symptoms throughout the 2-3 months that I've been off of my medication. If you guys don't know what kind of medication I was on, it's called sertraline. And I was on 50 milligrams. I stopped taking it because I felt like I didn't need it. It made me feel happy sometimes. Other times I just kind of felt like, other times I just felt like it made me feel like nothing. And I hated feeling like nothing, you know? I hated it. I now use the same concealer to apply to my face because I actually don't use foundation anymore. I just use concealer for my face. Like the same concealer I use for my eyebrows, I use for my whole face now. Some people be like, why? Why not? I just didn't see the point in buying I didn't see the point in buying foundation and then concealer. I'm not a makeup guru, so I don't take stuff like that too seriously. Like if I have one of something, I'll just use it. Bargain. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like me to do more style videos like this where I'm raw. But once I've put all the concealer where it needs to be, then I am finished. To me, when I do my makeup like this, and to me it's kind of like starting over on a blank canvas. I'm like, you know what? Let's paint it all neutral and white. Then once it's done, let's go all black in this I don't embrace my pimples, and I feel like I should start embracing them. I do suffer from acne, and there's nothing I can do about it. So if you don't like acne, don't watch this video. I go in with eyeliner. No, I'm not about to eyeline my eyes. I'm about to eyeline my eyebrows. And what this basically does is it makes your, like, the edge of your eyebrows darker and sharper. When I'm sad and I'm doing my makeup, I miss a lot of spots, like, on my face to do. But then guess what? I don't care. I don't care. I really don't. I apply it to my nose and my cheek area, and I apply a lot of blush. A lot of blush and a lot of highlighter. For the longest of time, I was afraid of people saying that I talk too much in my videos. I'm a Gemini. I naturally am talkative, and I just thought it was time to start embracing that. I can't see shit. Also, guys, I've been on TikTok a lot, and I didn't know if I should just... bleh. As someone who's part of the LGBT community, I didn't know if I should start making LGBT TikToks, because I am queer, but, like, recently I've had some people come to me and, like, they ask me, why do you do that stuff? I'm like, what stuff? What, be queer? Okay. Why do you do that stuff where you need to be straight? That's my question for you. But I'm not discriminating. I'm not. So once I have completed it, I start to look actually a lot better and prettier. If I still look ugly, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to read that. One time I got eyeliner in my eye and the whole whites of my eye actually went black. I was like, fuck, I look like a demon. I mean, whatever. I mean, it looks okay. Actually, it's not a cross. It's like it's like an X. I had to add a little X right here. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. Then I look for my real beauty mark or the mole. I don't know. I'm being open with you guys. This is a wig. I'm not afraid of that. So if I get people in the comments like, oh, you know that's a wig, right? I'm like, yeah, I put it on my own head. So then sometimes I'll put lashes on, but I don't know if I want to put lashes on. Do I want to put lashes on? I don't know. I think I'm gonna put on my lashes. Oh, ugh. I went out one day and I got really tired and I put the lashes in my pocket. I was like, fuck it, I'm putting it in my pocket. So I put it in my pocket and I was just like, whatever. Gucci. Okay, so I'm back. I've managed to put my lashes on. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell the difference. I feel like it makes my eyes look a lot more seductive. I found out recently that I'm a Scorpio moon. It makes so much sense because I have horrible mood swings. That's all I'm gonna get into for now. I'm a Scorpio moon and I'm a what was it? A Leo. I'm a Leo ascending. My sun is in Gemini. Hence why I'm a Gemini. I'm trying to get into astrology properly. So yeah. I look like I look like that guy, that GIF guy who's doing this. You know what? No, I'm gonna leave it like this, because wetting it, straightening this hair takes forever. So, and it's crazy how much this looks like my real hair, because my real hair is also dyed this color. Ooh. I don't know if this is like, I don't know if this is gothic. I don't know. Every time I say I'm gonna go gothic, I'm too afraid, and then I go like soft grunge. This is the most like poorly put together video, but that literally makes sense because that's how my life has been these past couple of weeks. Everything about me has been so poorly put together. Like, I feel like no one likes me. Like, I feel like I've made poor decisions in my life. I mean, I felt like YouTube was the only place I could keep things real, hence why I'm here on this platform and I'm talking about it. And I'm catfishing people. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but like I've got this little like Stitch thing. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan of Lilo and Stitch, so this was like the best thing for me to get. You guys can follow me here. This is what my Instagram looks like. This is the new post that I posted. And yeah, make sure to give it a like, double tap, say that you came from my new video and you've come to like this post. Yeah, here's me giving some self-promo. Oh my goodness, look at me. So there's one quote I found and it's called, well, it's not called anything. It says, visualize your higher self and start showing up as her. So, or him, or them. And I really like this quote because looking up quotes like that and reading it is very inspiring because it makes you feel like, you know what? There's things out there that can help me push myself to where I want to be in life, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I want to spend a lot less time on social media and just focus on myself and be more spiritual and be in touch with myself. I want to be happy. This video was very weird. I hope I don't seem emotionally unstable. I am. I actually low-key look like a really bomb-ass stripper. There's nothing wrong with being a stripper, by the way. I actually was looking up like how to be a stripper like the other day. When I was in Birmingham, it was like, what, 2 a.m. in the morning, and I literally was looking up videos of like how girls became strippers, and like I was watching videos of women like teaching you how to do stripper moves and stuff like that, and I was like, you know what? That extra income, I might be there, but where I live, it's a bit sketchy. I'm not trying to have anyone follow me home. And with the auditions and stuff like that, my hair is gonna fly way off into the horizon. And by the time I'm done with the pole, I'm gonna be in my wig cap. So, girl, not today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. If you are sad and you want to do your makeup to make you feel better and you want to feel like a bad bitch, have a great day. I hope you do something with the quote that I read out. Just try your best to do what you believe in, and eventually, if the time is right, life will get you there. Bye, cherry bomb.